What's up mga kaapo? Kabayan, tagumpay Aquino po agama ita chapter. Today's video is about changing oil on my Chevy Traverse truck because of the oil lifespan is very low. It's now showing 29%, and it's not time yet to change oil because 29 is still okay. But for me, it's time for the oil to change it because I always do this. So I have to change oil today, September 9, and to make the engine better, and I don't want to wait that this truck will give me a warning sign that it's time to change oil. So I have to change oil today. I'm going to the auto parts to buy oil, engine oil, and oil filter for this Chevy truck 2018. Okay, let's go and let's buy some engine oil and oil filter. Time for. But before we go to the auto parts, I'm gonna mail 2 letters to the post office. This is the post office here in Glendale, and I'm going to drop this 2 letters to this post office. Okay, time for. Okay, na-email na po natin yung dalawang letters, at ngayon po ay tutuloy na tayo sa auto parts para makabili na ng engine oil, at may change ko na ang truck na ito. At update ko na lang po kayo. Okay, 10-4. Okay, what's up mga kapo? Narito na po tayo sa O'Reilly Auto Parts. Dito po tayo bibili ng engine oil. At pasok na po tayo upang makabili na tayo ng engine oil. Yan po, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Dito po tayo bibili ng. Okay, fine, thank you sir.
How can I help you, sir?
Okay. Dito po tayo sa auto parts.
Oh, okay.
Bili po tayo ng
It's just a
engine
cord.
oil.
Yeah. Okay, I got you.
Professional parts people. Antay lang po tayo at mayroon siyang in-entertain na isang.
Perfect. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Oh yes, yeah.
Good to hear, man. Thanks, man.
All right, hey, how you doing, sir? Brian, can you please give me engine oil for 2018 Chevy Traverse?
Chevy Traverse?
Yes, 4-cylinder,
Okay.
and oil filter,
You want a particular brand in the oil filter? Or just
synthetic.
like synthetic? It can handle synthetic?
Yeah.
Is it V6 or 2.0?
No, it's a 4-cylinder.
4-cylinder?
Yeah.
So the synthetic options, if you want to go with that, we have one for $9.99. That's the MicroGuard Select. Or if you want to go Wix XP, that's another option for $15.99 for the oil filter.
So which one do you recommend, sir?
The Wix
So
XP,
44.
Okay, give me that. Yeah.
and then the oil that uses
We don't need to do anything.
The old one's in there.
Yeah.
530, around 4.9 quarts, so 5 quarts.
Okay.
Let me show you what we have for
Have a good
sale.
one.
Sir Brian, you are on my blog. Would you like to shout out to your friends?
No, I don't have a lot of friends actually. Just here, I'm here all day.
Oh, okay.
So basically, I
Which
have
one?
like the mobile one on sale. The basic one is $33.95.
Okay.
Go with that, or I have Castrol. Castrol is $34.95.
So which one do you recommend? The this
I like
you said.
mobile one,
Oh, okay, give me. This is 5 gallon, 5 quarts.
5-quart. Yeah.
So it's the I have 4-cylinder.
Oh yeah, with this, all of it.
All of it. Okay, all right. So give me that. Yeah.
All right. And then I'll get you the filter, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Anything else for you?
And that will be all, sir. You're gonna be famous, Brian.
Yeah. How many YouTube or what?
YouTube, yeah.
What do you
Tagumpay Aquino, your YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Yeah. You can.
How many subscribers? Oh yeah. No, about vlog. Huh? Some vlogs.
102.90.
Yes, sir.
All right, okay.
And the vlog. This is the best O'Reilly's in the region.
Okay, yeah.
Burbank.
Burbank, yeah.
Location, guys.
Yeah.
So if you're ever in Burbank, you need some help, come see us.
All right.
We'll take care of you.
Telephone number, man?
818-450-7368. And we have here Brian and Jonathan and O'Reilly Auto Parts here in Burbank. Yeah, Tagumpay. Yeah.
Tagumpay, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Filipino or?
Filipino.
¿Cómo está kayo?
Mabuti.
I know.
Mabuti?
Yeah.
All right, sir. So for you, your total today is going to be $56.16, sir.
All right. Okay.
100.
Yeah.
That's 43.
I'm gonna post this by today. And
You just do video vlogs or what's your main content?
mix. I have the cooking,
Oh, okay.
traveling, tours, like recreation park,
Oh, okay.
and this one.
Auto parts,
Yeah, other parts. Mix.
recreation parks like off-road.
Like Eco Park,
Oh, okay.
like in Los Angeles. Yeah. And also Los Angeles Zoo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And also Los Angeles vicinity.
Okay. Do you live here in LA?
Yeah, right here in Glendale.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Would you like to shout out your friends?
Hey guys, smash that like button, subscribe, give it a thumbs up.
How about
Smart
you?
man, he knows which O'Reilly to come to. Burbank location.
How about you, Brian?
I'm not good at that, but thank you for coming by over here, Burbank. There you go, sir. And you have a great day, okay?
Hey, we got breaking news.
What is it now?
He's gonna have another baby. It's out now.
there you go.
Nobody knows.
Brian.
Everybody knows now.
Do you have a bag?
Yes.
All right, congratulations, Brian.
Thank you, sir. There you go. All
My
right.
wife's gonna be mad at me for telling everyone.
All right, thank you.
What's your YouTube channel?
Tagumpay Aquino.
Okay, I'll look it up on you. We got our 15 minutes. We're gonna keep it.
All right, bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right. Well, those guys are very nice. Okay, I already bought the engine oil, and yeah, right here we are here at the Burbank Hobby Lobby, and now let's go. We're gonna go and let's change out my truck. This is the Home Goods here in Burbank. Right now it's too hot. It's 100 3-digit Fahrenheit, 100 plus. Okay, let's go. This is my truck. This is my truck right here. We're gonna change oil on this. Okay, let's go. Okay, update ko na lang po kayo. Now that I'm arrived here at my house, and we are going to start changing oil on this truck. This is my 2018 Chevy Traverse, 2018 Chevy Traverse truck, and I already put the jack underneath, and also this is the one that I bought a while ago, the mobile truck SUV synthetic 530, and one oil filter. Now we're gonna drain the engine oil underneath. Bubuksan ko po yung tornilyo sa ilalim. Doon po sa ilalim, ayun. Ayun po. Yan po, ayan. At nalagay ko na rin po yung jack. Ngayon ay tidrain po natin yung engine oil. Okay, nabuksan na po natin yung oil pan. At ayan po siya. At ayan po yung container, oil pan container. At doon na po natin pinatulo yung used oil, engine oil. At hinihintay lang po natin maubos yung used engine oil dito sa oil pan. At pagka naubos na po yung langis doon sa oil pan, ay lalagyan na po natin ng bago. Ayan po. At ito yung oil filter. Tatanggalin po natin yung oil filter. Okay, mahigpit po. Update ko na lang po kayo. Yan po ang aking itsura. Nalaglagan po ako ng langis. Okay, mag-ilamas lang po ako. Therefore, pagkatapos ko pong maligo ng oil, eto na po na ako. Balik na po ako. Nalagang po yung aking mata eh. Pero okay na po ako. At ngayon po ay lalagyan na po natin yung oil filter. At isasara na po natin yung plug doon sa engine oil pan upang maisali na po natin yung bagong engine oil. Okay, tayo na po. Ayan na po, ayan. Kung nakikita nyo po, doon po natin ipapasok yung ating engine oil filter. At tapos na rin pong tumulo yung oil doon sa oil pan. Ngayon ay isasara na po natin. Okay, 10-4. Ang gagawin lang po natin ay ito po, nasa lungan po natin ang nilinisin po natin itong kung saan po natin nalagay yung oil filter. Ayan, nakakabit na po. Kailangan po ay hand tight. Kailangan hand tight lang po siya. Okay. and tight po. And tight na po siya. Ngayon naman po ay ilalagay natin yung plug dito sa oil pan. Okay. Alisin ko na po itong oil pan catch or oil pan container at ibababa na po natin yung jack. Yan po. Yan, ibaba ko na po. At ngayon naman po ay lalagyan na natin siya ng engine oil dito. Okay, 10-4. At ngayon po ay ilalagyan na po natin tong 5 quarts engine oil, synthetic engine oil dito po sa engine natin. Sasali na po natin. Hindi na po tayo gagamit ng embudo. Ngayon po ay sasali na po natin. Five watts po ito. $530 pagka sa mga bagong kotse, ito po ang ginagamit. Synthetic ang ginamit ko, $530. Five quarts po ito. 4 cylinder lang po itong aking kotse, pero napakalakas po, bilis. Okay. Ngayon po ay susukatin natin ang ating engine oil. Ayun po siya, oh. Okay na po. Ayan po yung level ng oil sa dipstick. 10-4. Ulitin ko po ulit. One more time. Ayan po yung level ng oil. Ayan po yung level ng oil. Ayan. Okay po, 10-4. Ngayon po ay i-start po natin yung engine. At titignan po natin kung may leak. Okay, 100% na po yung ating oil life. At na-reset na po natin. Na dati ay 29%, ngayon 100% na po. Dahil bago na po, nag-change oil na po tayo. Okay, then po, kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video na ito, ay subscribe lang po kayo at click notification bell para ma-notified kayo sa mga bago pa naming mga video na darating. At share na rin po ninyo para masaya lang. Okay, then po, titingnan ko po kung merong leak doon sa ilalim. Mukhang wala naman pong leak at maayos naman. Ayun po yung oil change. Yun po yung oil pan, wala naman pong leak. Yung plug, yung bolt, wala po. At yung ang filter wala naman po. Okay, good. Ayan ko po. Please subscribe and click notification bell. Thank you for watching.